Everyone, today we are going to solve the question monthly transaction 1. Here we are given a transaction table. ID is the primary key of this table. It has told about the table. So we have to write an SQL query to find for each month and country the number of transactions and their total amount, the number of approved transactions and their total amount. The query result format in the following example. Like, this is my transaction table. Okay, we are given ID, country, state, amount, and transaction date. We have to write an SQL query to find for each month and country the number of transaction and the total amount, the number of approved transaction and the total amount. Like, we are given over here US, there are 3 US, and the number of approved requests for US is 1 and 2 over here, but these are different months. For each month we have to calculate accordingly. So, like, month approved total amount, my month is this 2018, and my country is US. I have to return the transaction count, how many transactions took place in this month. 12 in 12 there are 2 transactions approved and declined, so there are 2, and I have to return the approved count too. There is only one approved count. And transaction total amount would be like 3000 over here, but approved total amount is 1000. Similarly, in the month of 19, 1 US, one transaction count 1, and the amount is 2000 and 2000. Similarly, we have to separate the number of transactions in different months, and the countries should also be different. Okay, so basically I'm going to select my date format, transaction date. This is my transaction date, which is in by month format as month, because first we have to return month. That's why I'm going to return my month by selecting the transaction date. Country, and I have to count the IDs. I have to count my IDs as transaction count, where my sum of state equals to approved. My sum of state is equal to approved, which is this. These they have to display. I have to display the country after this. Then I have to display the transaction count, how many transactions took place. So I have to sum my state equals to approved for approved count. State equals to approved count as approved count, and my transaction total amount as sum of actual amount, which would be over here 3000 over here. And I have to calculate my approved total amount. It would be like my approved total amount would be if my state is equal to approved and my amount is 0 as approved total amount. From transactions, which is my table, and I have to group them by month and country. Group by month and country. This is our priority. You can see the code over here, like proper here, and this code will definitely work. Thanks for watching.